Hello everyone, if your app needs to store files, profile picture, documents, video, anything, Supabase has built-in storage feature for that. In this video, I will show you how to set up completely through the dashboard, no code required. First of all, open your Supabase project and on the left side, you will click on the storage. This is where you can create buckets. Think of it bucket as a folder that can hold specific type of files like avatars or documents. Click on create new buckets. So give it a name, let's call it like a avatar. So we can give a name avatar, and there is some option like public bucket, restricted files, and the types. So here we can restrict the file size, like we don't want to allow user to upload the large file. Also we want to provide a specific type. Also there is a one important toggle here, is a public bucket, right? So public bucket, if you turn this on, anyone with this file link can view it, which is fine for things like profile picture. But if you are storing private file like personal documents, keep this off, so only authorized user can access them through secure control access. So I'm going to on this toggle because avatar can store only a profile picture, which is totally fine for this one. So I will create, once you will create the bucket, now click on your buckets like this one. Once we will click on this bucket, here we have a upload file buttons. You can click upload file button. Here you can upload the files. Once it's upload, you will see it listed right here with their like a file size and everything. Click on it. Here you can see the file size, added on, last modified, download. Also you can get a URL. Once you can copy this like a URL, click on it, and once you will paste this URL, you can see the file is accessible because we keep this bucket on. For more control, you can click on the policy tab. Here you can click on your bucket, for example add new policy, and then you can click on get started quickly, right? So here is some made in template. This let you exactly who can upload, view, update, and delete file in this bucket. For example, you could set a rule so user can only upload their own avatar but not anyone else. Supabase give you these ready-made policy templates here, so you don't need to write up like rules or code from the scratch. You can just pick those templates according to your needs. Once you will use those templates, it will apply all those rules to your avatar, right? And that's it. So you know how to store and manage files in Supabase all without writing any code. If this helps, subscribe for more no code Supabase tutorials and let me know in the comment which feature you want cover next. See you in the next video. Thank you.